Hello! In the video today I'm going to be showing you the results of my attempt to grow tomatoes in the middle of winter here in the UK. Was it a complete failure or was it a success? I'm Gang, welcome to the channel. Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod. So back in late September I sowed some seeds for a variety of tomato called Tiny Tim, which is a bush or determinate type of tomato, perfect for growing in my Vitopod. Did the seeds germinate? Yes, they did, and they grew into some really stocky little plants. Did they produce flowers? Yes, they did, and that's when a problem first hit. Now the flowers started to drop, and that could have been the end of the experiment, but I spent a day or two trying to work out what was making this happen. And it turned out it was to do with temperature. Not so much having enough heat, but consistent. And during the evening, in the room where I was growing these tomatoes, the temperature dropped. And that in turn caused the plant to drop the flowers. So once I adjusted the temperature in the room where they were growing, all was well again, and the flowers stayed on the plant. Did they then go on to produce some fruits? Well, another problem reared its head. Let me show you. The problem was mould started to appear on some of the leaves, and this turned out it was down to poor air circulation. So to combat this, I just turned the speed up on the fan, and that seemed to solve the problem. Did they then produce fruit? Yes, they did. So I did eventually get some fruits, not very many, but tomatoes in the middle of winter here in the UK, I'll take that all day. Let me try one and see if it was worth all of the effort. Look at that, a winter-grown tomato. Oh, absolutely delicious. And as I'm out here in the greenhouse, they're quite cold as well. I think it was well worth the whole experiment. Would I do it again? Yes, I would. But I wouldn't be expecting the same results that I could get in the summer growing these tomatoes here in the greenhouse. It's a case of quality, not so much quantity. Was it cost effective? Probably not. However, having these tomatoes in early January, wow, you can't beat it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'm Gang. This is Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod, and as ever, until next time, take care. Bye.